Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find the successor and predecessor of an integer. In earlier videos you have learned how to find the successor and predecessor of a natural number. Here we are going to learn how to find the successor and predecessor of an integer. All positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 together makes integer. So finding the successor and predecessor of an integer is same as of natural numbers. For finding successor we just need to add 1 to the integer, and for finding the predecessor we just need to subtract 1 from the integer. So let us solve few examples and find the predecessor and successor of integers. So let us first find the successor of the integers. Here we have the first integer, which is -1. For finding the successor we are going to add 1 to the integer. So we are going to add 1. So -1 and +1 will give us 0. So the successor of -1 is 0. Next we have 0. For finding the successor we are going to add 1. So successor of 0 is 1. Next integer is -42, and for finding the successor we are going to add 1 to -42, and -42 plus 1 will give us -41. Next we have +57, and we just need to add 1 to that. So that's going to be +58. Next is 42. We have already done -42. Now we are doing +42. So 42 plus 1 will be 43. So the successor of -42 is -41, and successor of 42 is 43. Now let's move on to finding the predecessor of integers. So first example is +1. So +1, -1 is equal to 0. For finding the predecessor we are going to subtract 1 from the integer. So +1 minus 1 will be 0. So the predecessor of 1 or +1 is 0. Next we have -25, and we are going to subtract 1 from that. So -25 and -1 will give us -26. Next we have +72 minus 1, which is equal to +71. Next we have -43 minus 1, which is going to be -44. So the predecessor of -43 is -44. Next is -100, and we are going to subtract 1 from that, and it will give us -101. So here we see that the predecessor of a negative number is negative, and its absolute value is more than the number. If you have any confusion in finding the predecessor of a negative number, you can visualize that on a number line, because we have all the negative numbers on the left hand side of the number line. So as we move to the left, the negative number gets smaller in value, but the absolute value of the number increases. Absolute value, that is the value without the sign, is increasing, but if we consider the sign, the number is decreasing, because -2 is bigger than -3. In negative numbers, the smaller the number, it will be bigger in value than the bigger number, because the negative numbers are just opposite of the positive numbers. This is how we find the successor and predecessor of integers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and for more math videos, do subscribe to Reenu Math. Thanks for watching.